My name's Paul Brazil, and I work at DCR Classic and Mentor. I'm hoping to learn to be more proficient, fast-paced, but still being able to get everything accurate. I feel like I'm in a good spot of being able to go back and be more confident of knowing the process and how to make it easier for not only myself, but for the whole line of how the car's going down. Basically, I felt like I could do anything if I put my mind to it. I'm not being told, no, you can't do this, you can't do that, but no, you can do this, you can do that. You just gotta put your mind to it.
What do you have to say about your experience, and what are you taking back to DCR?
I would say my experience has been real great. I feel like I've learned a lot. It's been a big learning curve. Like they said in the beginning, there's always room for improvement and growth, and taking that back to the shop and trying to make a change. I just wanted to say thank you, and I have the respect, and I feel like if you actually care about someone, you can send them to a training, and I feel like if they came here, they can learn a lot more than what Master Tech could be with you too, but I feel like actually coming here for the independent and actually learn the hands-on, I feel like is a lot better.